And this question it is given that the density of substance at 0 degree Celsius is 10 gram per centimeter cube. So density at 0 degree Celsius is given as nothing but 10, and at 100 degree Celsius we can write its density is given as nothing but 9.7. The coefficient of linear expansion of substance is Rm is to find out what about the value of alpha. So first we can find out the value of gamma, then we can find out the value of alpha. So we know that the equation for final density, we can use this approximate equation, that is initial density into 1 minus gamma delta T. So we can write we can just substitute this value over here. So we can write this as 9.7 as equal to, we can take it as 10 into 1 minus gamma into delta T. So the value of delta T over here is nothing but 100. So we can write this as nothing but 9.7 is equal to 10 minus we can take it as nothing but 1000 into gamma. So we can write 10 raised to 3 into gamma is equal to, or 1000 into gamma is equal to 10 minus 9.7. So we can write which is equal to 0.3. So we can write the value of this gamma is equal to nothing but 0.3 divided by, we can take it as 1000. Now Rm is to find out the value of alpha over here. So we know that gamma is 3 times of alpha is 0.3 divided by 1000. So we can cancel this 3 over here and over here. So the value of alpha is going to be 0.1 divided by 10 raised to 3 or 1000. So which we can take it as nothing but 10 raised to minus 4.